Moses here with Metolius Climbing. New and exciting for us, spring 19, is the new Bravo Carabiner. We updated the design, so a little beefier in the rope well here. Bent gate, so allows a little more rope clearance. Super light at, it almost flew off my hand, it's so light. 32 grams. New lower retail price, so from $7.95 to $6.50 retail. We changed the factory that makes our carabiners, so the same factory that makes our popular FS Mini carabiner is making the new Bravo. Available in 6 sexy colors that match our number 1 through number 6 in our protection. So you can color code your gear with the new ultralight Bravo carabiner. Also new for spring 19 is going to be the new Bravo QUICKDRAW. Again, ridiculously light. It's going to come in this black and blue combination. It has a sewn in keeper for the clip end, so that won't be outside of the draw. $15 retail, killer. And then we'll also update our long draws. So we have a 12-inch that'll have the black yellow combination. We'll have the 16-inch and the black green. And my personal favorite, because everyone loves things long, this is the 20-inch and a black red combination. The alternative to shouldering and open sling, and especially if you have a helmet, if you have other gear like a gear sling, this here, just rack like that onto your harness, and when you're ready to use it, just drop it, clip, and it's like a standard quick draw. So deploys and is ready to use really quick. A lot easier than an open sling. Great for traditional climbing or wandering sport routes. Yeah, this is amazing. So these guys are spring 19, so January 19. We do have these available now in a different configuration with the older Bravo. The updated version here will be available January 19. Just a little bit longer. They're both 20 inches.